Well guys, welcome back to another BAW YouTube episode. We have Ram. We are doing a 4200 kilo GVM from JMACX. A part of that kit, they get your old axle, they cut the ends off, they weld on new hubs so you get upgraded bearings, bigger bearings, so you can get a higher axle load rating. So the front has been done, you got the strut in there, upper control arms. A part of the kit you get this big brake upgrade too. So big disc, 6-pot caliper. These obviously have the 4.5 ton towing, but they don't have a very good GVM. I think factory's like 3450, and now yeah, it'll be bumped up to 4200. So can do these pre and post rego. Only a 2-inch lift. They haven't quite figured out anything higher than that, but yeah, pretty much just got the rear end to do. I'll get that all apart, build that in, hopefully have it on its wheels fairly soon and test driven, ready to go. So happy days. JMACX Alphas. This customer has gone for electrics, so he will have a controller in his dash, probably like to the left of the steering wheel. He can electronically control the compression on this, and if he's real lazy, which most of us are, you just set it to an automatic thing, and it's got a little gyro in it that just senses all your movements, and it'll automatically adjust. Part of the kit, you get upper control arms, and then tomorrow I'll crack on with the rear, and then it'll basically be all but done. But yeah, that's much of the front end, so yeah, we'll see how tomorrow goes, and then I'll give you a show of that once that's all in and ready to go. Righto, ladies and gents, that is it for the Ram. As you can see, it's on its wheels. The only thing left to do is let it go for a wheel alignment. Once that's done, we'll do a couple more checks and then it can go off to the customer. So that's pretty much it. I know I've explained it earlier in the video. It is a 2-inch lift. It is a GVM upgrade 4200. You do get the upgraded brakes and calipers in the front. What else? He has done the JMACX Alpha electric, so all in-cab adjustable. It is also got an automatic mode, so it'll automatically do it. But yeah, thanks for following along. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit us up on all the socials. But yeah, catch us for the next one.